Austin Roller here with Dvorak Motorsports in Bismarck, North Dakota. The CFMOTO lineup of motorcycles is in stock right now. We have demos here available to ride in every single model, so come check them out here. Right in front of me, this is the CFMOTO 300 SS. Let's take a closer look. 28.7 horsepower, 18.7 foot-pounds of torque. This motorcycle has everything you need. Dry weight, 364 pounds. Front and rear hydraulic disc brakes with ABS. LED headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and a nice crystal clear LED display with a lot of extra features. So stop on down to Dvorak Motorsports, 404 Airport Road in Bismarck. Come try out a new CFMOTO motorcycle and take advantage of these great deals.